Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to fix can't connect to App Store on your iPhone and iPad. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, we try again. Here we go. As you can see, here is the error can't connect to App Store. So how to fix it? Close it and open settings, scroll down, and here is the general. Type it, again scroll down and tap on date and time. So as you can see, 24 hours and set automatically as toggle on both of these, and we try again. So now open App Store. So as you can see, App Store is working successfully right now. You can install any app. So if you have any problem, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.